Are you looking for the best rotary tools? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best rotary tools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Dremel 4300 Rotary Tool. The Dremel 4300-540 high-performance rotary tool kit is a versatile and powerful corded rotary tool designed for grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, and engraving. It features a 1.8 amp motor with variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, offering precise control for different materials and tasks. The tool includes a universal 3-jaw chuck compatible with all Dremel shank sizes, a pivoting LED light that illuminates the work area, and an improved airflow system that keeps it cool and quiet during operation. The kit comes with 5 attachments, 40 accessories, and a durable carrying case, making it suitable for both professionals and serious DIY users. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the wide RPM range adds flexibility for delicate or high-speed work. However, since it's a corded model, mobility is limited compared to cordless options, and users in regions with 220/240V power, like Bangladesh, should ensure voltage compatibility. Overall, the Dremel 4300-540 offers excellent performance, versatility, and convenience, making it one of the top rotary tools for woodworking, metalwork, and precision crafting. Number 2, Dremel 8220 Rotary Tool. The Dremel 8220-128 12-volt max cordless rotary tool kit is a compact, portable, and powerful tool ideal for cutting, wood carving, engraving, polishing, and detail sanding. Powered by a 12V lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent performance and long runtime across variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM. The kit includes the 8220 cordless rotary tool, 1 multi-purpose cutting guide attachment, 28 high-quality Dremel accessories, a charger, and both a plastic storage and accessory case. Its slim, ergonomic design with a 360-degree grip zone ensures comfort and control, even in tight spaces. The patented Easy Twist nose cap allows for quick and easy accessory changes without the need for a wrench, while the quick collet lock further simplifies adjustments. Compatible with all Dremel accessories and attachments, this cordless tool provides exceptional versatility for a wide range of DIY and professional applications, making it perfect for precision tasks that require both power and mobility. Number 3, BLACK+DECKER RTX-B. The BLACK+DECKER RTX-B 3-speed RTX rotary tool is a durable and high-performance corded rotary tool designed for a wide range of applications including cutting, sanding, grinding, carving, cleaning, engraving, polishing, sharpening, drilling, smoothing, shaping, and removing rust or corrosion. It features a powerful 2.0 amp high-torque motor that delivers consistent power to complete tasks quickly without bogging down under load. With its 3-speed function, 12,000, 24,000, and 30,000 RPM, and convenient set-and-forget speed dial, it provides precision and control for various materials and projects. The universal collet system makes it compatible with all standard rotary tool bits and accessories, while the flip-lock spindle system allows for fast, easy bit changes without holding down a button. Its ergonomic soft grip ensures comfort and stability during extended use, and the corded design offers unlimited runtime for large or demanding jobs. The tool also comes with a storage case, making it easy to organize and transport accessories, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 4, DEWALT Rotary Saw. The DEWALT W60 Rotary Saw is a powerful and durable corded tool designed for cutting through wood, metal, tile, plastic, and drywall with ease. Equipped with a 5.0 amp motor that delivers up to 30,000 RPM, it provides exceptional cutting power for demanding tasks. The tool features a tool-free bit change system, allowing for quick and easy bit replacements without the need for a wrench, and includes both 1/8-inch and 1/4-inch collets for compatibility with a wide range of bits. Its turn-on bump-off switch enables fast and convenient operation, while the dust-sealed switch protects against debris for longer tool life. The slim, ergonomic body ensures user comfort and reduced fatigue during extended use, and the jam-pot construction enhances job site durability. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the DEWALT DW660 combines power, precision, and reliability, making it a top choice for cutting and shaping materials in construction and renovation projects. Number 5. WEN 2305 Rotary Tool. The WEN 2305 Rotary Tool kit with flex shaft is a versatile and reliable corded electric tool ideal for a wide range of applications, including cutting, sanding, polishing, shaping, drilling, deburring, and grinding. Operating at 120 volts, it features a variable speed control ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM, providing precise control for different materials and tasks. The kit comes with an 80-piece accessory set that includes bits, sanding discs, polishing pads, mandrels, and more, making it ready for various projects right out of the box. An onboard spindle lock allows for quick and easy bit changes, and the 2.3mm and 3.2mm collets ensure compatibility with a wide range of accessories. Additionally, the included flex shaft attachment offers improved flexibility and precision, especially for intricate or detailed work. With its powerful performance, adjustable speed, and comprehensive accessory kit, the WN 2305 is an excellent choice for hobbyists, craftsmen, and DIY users seeking both versatility and precision in one affordable rotary tool package.